Alrighty then, we have an unboxing from there you go, Outer Fry. Class number 2 for time zone. We work on oiling and a more complicated movement. Level 2 time zone. What kind of goodies do we have in here? Probably the movement. We'll set that to the side. Version on oiler. Case, dial, and hands for the movement. And to complete it, 2 boxes of vertical, which is good. It's got some mass. There we go. There you go, little piece of pith wood there in the middle. Caps with the jewel. I'll leave that up. The different sizes. Pretty cool. What do we have in here? First tube coming out. This might be grease. It is. Stem grease. Natural grease. Micro grease. Date. There's some oil. Centilube. See what we got in here. Here's the case. Dun, 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 dun. Cleaning basket. I don't have a cleaner, so maybe someday. Found a guy in Florida who's got like 4 of them on Craigslist, and oilers, different sizes. And I asked him if he'd be interested in shipping one. He's like, not gonna ship it. Come down and pick it up, not gonna ship it. Case ring, and then here's the movement, ETA 2824. Automatic. Date. Gonna be stripping it down. Need to know what the dial looks like. Let's try it. So slightly and wait. Look at that. Dial 1. Dial 1. Dial 2. Well, I guess that's why there's 2 sets of hands. There's 2 dials. We'll package this back up and put it back together because this is going to be one of the last things you'll touch, or at least I'll touch. Have a white dial or a black dial. It's kind of funky. All right, so seal that back up. Not bad. Nice little haul. This has taken me a little bit longer to get to step 2 because of some medical adventures. We've been not really enjoying too much, but we continue on, and I've been taking apart a bunch of different types of watches and putting them back together without oiling them. I'm not running them, just to, like, practice, but I'll be stripping those down again and oiling them up, and be moving from there. Now, I've not done any live videos for other reasons, but I'll be doing those soon enough as well. Anyway, there we go. Bye.